Hi, I'm Denny with Prima Marketing, ReDesign with Prima. Today I'm going to show you how to use our decor transfers. They're very, very simple. Cut out a design, peel it apart. They're slightly adhesive on the back, and then you just lay it where you want it. For instance, I'm just going to lay it right here, just to give you an idea. And you take the brayer, just rub it to get the transfer to come off. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Pull it up from the corner here. Work the edges first. Pull it back. Very, very thin membrane. You can almost feel it's almost the same thickness as the paint. You don't feel any edges. And then you just seal it with a clear wax, furniture wax, or a clear matte water-based polyurethane.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativeation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.